Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up NordVPN on macOS. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point at the Try NordVPN, you'll find the latest pricing discounts and reviews available in the description down below. First, you're going to need to download application from the NordVPN website. Just visit nordvpn.com/download and click on Download the App button. And so once the download is complete, go to your downloaded folder and double-click the nordvpn.pkg file to start the installation process. You will also be prompted to enter your password during the installation of the process. Now, once the installation is finished, open your Launchpad and find the NordVPN icon to a launched application. You'll be presented with a pop-up explaining the NordVPN's privacy policy. Click on Agree and continue to proceed. Then to log in, click the Login button located below the map in the application window and enter your NordVPN's credentials. Then connect to a server by pressing the Quick Connect button at the bottom of the window. After that, a window will appear, asking for permission to make the connection. However, please read the explanation message and click Got it. Then enter your max password if prompted. And so a green pin on the map will indicate a successful connection. Now, when you use a VPN, your intro traffic is encrypted, meaning that even if someone intercepts it, they won't be able to read it, providing extra safety to your privacy and securities. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in NordVPN, you find links to pricing and discount, as well as in-depth review in the description and down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact. If you guys like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or we would like to stay up to date with our future videos.